Good morning, students. In the last few classes, we have started with the revision for Essay 1 exam, and also we have completed with the two chapters, that is the raindrops and the elephant feast. We have completed with the revision. So now we are moving to the unit number 3, that is the silver arrow. Okay, so let's discuss with the revise with the question and answers. So here, students, first one is answer these question in 1 or 2 words. So in 1 or 2 words, you have to answer these questions. Okay, first question, who told Robin Hood about the archery contest? So who told Robin Hood about the archery contest? It was a little boy. So who told, students? It was a little boy told that about the archery contest. Next, second question, what was the color of the clothes that Robin Hood and his men usually wore? What was the color? So it was a green in color. Next, third question, in which town was the contest held? So in which town, students? It was held in Nottingham. Okay, so the town name is Nottingham. Okay. Next, fourth question, what was the man won the match wearing? So what was the man who won the match wearing? He was wearing a red jacket. Okay. Next, third main, answer these questions. First question, why did Robin Hood live in the forest? Why did he live in the forest? So Robin Hood, once a nobleman, lived in the forest because the king's cruel brother, the prince, had taken away the lands of all the noblemen who were loyal to the king. So next, second question, what was the prize for archery contest? What was the prize, students? It was a silver arrow. The prize for archery contest was a silver arrow. Next, third question, why did the sheriff dislike Robin Hood? Why did he dislike? The sheriff disliked Robin Hood because he and his merry men robbed from the rich and helped the poor. So he disliked the Robin Hood. Next, fourth question, why did sheriff plan the shooting match? So the sheriff planned the shooting match to trick and capture Robin Hood. Next, fifth question, how did Robin Hood manage to trick the sheriff? So how did he manage? Robin Hood managed to trick the sheriff by wearing a red jacket to the contest instead of green one. So in the forest they used to wear the green one, but when he went for the match, so that time he was wearing a red jacket. So his merry men were also dressed in jackets of various other colors. This fooled the sheriff into thinking that Robin Hood and his men had not shown up at the contest. Next, sixth question, who was finally captured and how? After winning the silver arrow, Robin Hood announced that he would shoot the arrow as far as it could go, and whoever found it could keep it. As soon as he shot the arrow, the sheriff's greedy guards ran off, leaving him alone. Who was leaving alone? So who was alone in the forest? Alone? The sheriff was alone in the forest. Then these two archers were actually Robin Hood and one of his men. Disguised in red and blue jackets, then Robin Hood and his merry men captured the sheriff and took him away to the Sherwood forest. So these are the 6 questions you need to practice, and also one word answers. You have 4 questions. So totally 10 question and answers in the silver arrow, which you need to practice, okay, for your Essay 1 exam. And next is, students, that is the giraffe poem. Also we will be doing the revision. So only 2 question answers which we have in this giraffe poem. So let us discuss with the question and answers. So first question, students, what does the poet say to prove the giraffe is tall animal? The poet says that the giraffe is so tall there is no space to get his complete picture on a page. He also says that in the picture the giraffe is taller than the spire. So in the picture you have seen in your textbook, students, that the giraffe will not complete in that picture. Full giraffe picture won't come. Only the half of it will be there. So the poet says the giraffe is so tall there is no space to get his complete picture on a page. He also says that in the picture the giraffe is taller than the spire. Okay. So second question, when does a giraffe wake up? Is this a good or a bad habit? So a giraffe wakes up at a dawn. It is a good habit to wake up early, just like the giraffe. So giraffe used to get up early and it will be going for the forest to food. Okay. So only 2 question answers you have in the giraffe poem. Practice with it. Okay. So total 12 question answers you need to practice it, and also you'll be getting the homework for you to practice with the question and answers. So thank you, students.